A poor dog, dressed in torn, dirty clothes. His so-called friends mock and laugh at him, making him feel completely hopeless, and he begins crying. All because he was struggling to find food in the trash. But then, the real twist begins. He starts hustling, taking up jobs at different places, and anywhere he can earn a few coins. People noticed his dedication and started giving him money slowly but surely. His hard work pays off. He keeps grinding, keeps pushing, and eventually, he becomes rich. One day, he returns not as the poor, struggling dog they once mocked, but as a successful, wealthy one. He buys luxury dresses, and now, the same friends who laughed at him are left speechless. And he became the richest dog